Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth from Sound Devices, and today I'm here with Paul Isaacs,
Hi
our
there.
Director of Product Design, and we're going to talk about the Plus4 plugin. Paul, do you want to tell us what the Plus4 plugin does?
Yeah, sure. Well, the Plus4 plugin is an optional plugin for the 833 that adds 4 extra ISO channels, fully featured ISO channels. So taking the 833 to a 12-channel 16-track recorder.
So why did we introduce the Plus4 plugin?
Well, many reasons. We've had a lot of users who have said we need more channels. And this is sort of coming from the fact that the production companies are requiring more multi-channel wireless. That's a growing need. And so we've answered the call with a Plus4 plugin. Now, I think a lot of users have tried to sort of like hack a couple of extra channels by using the recordable buses, but they don't have all the processing capabilities or routing capabilities of a normal ISO channel. So what this Plus4 plugin does is essentially allows these 4 extra channels can be sourced from any of the 19 physical inputs and then can be routed to not just the main mix, but any of the internal mix buses and physical outputs. And these 4 ISO channels are fully featured. So that means they have 3-band EQ, they have delay, they have limiter, compression. You can even add them to the auto mixer. So now, in an 833, you have the ability to have a 12-channel auto mixer.
Wow.
Now, if you have installed the CEDAR or NoiseAssist noise suppression plugin, then that can be applied to these 4 additional channels too. So not only that, we've added expanded metering capability. Mm-hmm. So you can now view all of those 12 channels.
Great. Yeah, you know, with those 4-channel receivers in the SL2, it's starting to get pretty tight. So.
Yeah, so, you know, with you could have a situation where you're sourcing 8 channels of wireless from your SL2, and then also record at the same time a combination of the other analog inputs, AS inputs, USB returns. It's a lot of flexibility.
Yeah, the Plus4 plugin really allows you to customize and expand your kit.
It really does. So not only does it give you the extra ISO channels to work with in terms of recording individual channels, but you could record, say, 6 ISO channels clean, unprocessed, and record the same channels processed with compression, EQ, noise suppression. And that's a nice tool to be able to give post those options.
Great. Well, thanks, Paul. Now let's look at how to install and use the plugin.
First, download the Plus4 plugin from the Sound Devices store. Place the license file on the root of an SD card that has been formatted in the 833. Insert the card and go to Menu, System, Plugins, Apply Plugins. The 833 will restart. To view the additional meters, go to Menu, Meters, and change a meter preset to include the new channels. For this example, we will choose LR 1 through 12. Return to the meter screen, then press the meter button and select your new preset. To quickly enter the channel screens, use the left star toggle and PFL toggles 3 through 6 to access channels 9 through 12, respectively. All channels added through the Plus4 plugin are fully featured with low cut, EQ, delay, limiters, and compression, and can be sourced from any input. Additional channels will also be reflected in both the mobile and tablet versions of SD Remote. When using SD Remote with the 833, we can see a new 5 through 12 meter tab at the bottom. Scrolling vertically on mobile lets us see our channels in groups of 8, including our newly added Plus4 ISO channels. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.